Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vasu and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12. Let's get right into it. So this is the 128GB green iPhone 12. It costs about 85k INR in India or about 1150 USD. I know it is quite expensive, but what can you do, right? Again, similar to the iPhone 12 Pro, there's nothing much in the box to be honest. It's just some paperwork. It's the USB-C to lightning cable and the phone itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Here's some additional footage of the phone itself, so you can enjoy it in all its glory. I must mention though, this is not my phone. Again, it's my friend's, and he was kind enough to record the unboxing and send the footage over. So yeah, shout out to Sairam. Thanks for watching and peace out.